Dental bridges are an extremely popular option for replacement of missing teeth. They typically consist from several crowns which can be placed either side of the space created by the tooth that is missing and a false tooth placed in between to cover the gap. Dental bridges are durable and long-lasting solution for the restoration of your smile. But what is the length of time you can expect they will last? The life expectancy of a dental bridge can differ based upon a variety of factors, such as the kind of bridge you choose, the material used, dental hygiene routine, and the level of care you give of your dental health. Dental bridges last from 5 to 15 years, or even longer if you take good treatment. Dental bridges that are traditional and are supported by crowns that rest on adjacent teeth, they are the most popular kind of bridge that will last for about 7 to 5 years in average. They are constructed of components like porcelain that are fused to ceramic or metal and are strong and durable. But, with time, bridges can get worn down, loosen, or begin to decay at the edges, which could cause failure and eventually the requirement for replacement. A different type of bridge is the cantilever that is supported with a crown. These bridges aren't as often used as they cause more strain on the tooth that supports them and are not more stable than traditional bridges. In the end, they could have a lower lifespan of between 5 and 10 years. Maryland bridges, sometimes referred to as resin-bonded bridges, are an alternative that is more moderate and requires bonding a metal or ceramic framework to the rear of the adjacent teeth, removing the requirement for crowns. They can last up to 10 years when properly maintained, however they might not be as durable or strong like conventional bridges. Implant-supported bridges can be another choice to replace missing teeth. They is considered to be the most durable and durable solution. Bridges supported with dental implants that are placed surgically into the jawbone, providing solid foundations to the structure. Implant-supported bridges are able to last for 10 years or longer with the right treatment and care, which makes bridges a favorite choice for a lot of patients. In order to ensure the long-term durability of your bridge, it's important to keep excellent oral hygiene practices, including brushing your teeth and flossing frequently, as well as going to your dentist regularly for appointments and cleans. Beware of sticky or hard food items which can press on the bridge and lead to damages. Is essential to extend the life of your bridge. In certain situations, a bridge made of dental material may require replacement sooner than anticipated due to damage, wear, or any other issue. If you notice any discomfort within the bridge, it's crucial to visit your dentist as quickly as you can to resolve the issue and avoid any further harm. The lifespan of a bridge for dental use can differ based on the kind of bridge used, the materials employed, as well as how you maintain your dental health. If you take care of it and maintain it, dental bridges can be used for anywhere between 5 and 15 years or longer. If you follow the advice of your dentist, and observing good dental hygiene will help you maintain the durability of the bridge you have chosen and keep your healthy, functioning teeth for the foreseeable future.